Hey, I have a pretty cool product I want to show you guys today. This is by a company called Hammock, all right? We are lucky enough to know these guys that started this company. They are local fellas and they are smart, creative dudes. This is a pretty sweet product. This is their first one and they're calling it the Hammock 1. It is the lightest, most compact, portable, self-supporting hammock that I've ever seen. It weighs under 15 pounds. Has a very small footprint. It's really, it took me, I don't know, 15 seconds to set it up. It's very easy to set up. So I want to go ahead and dig in and tell you the things that I'm loving about this. Big mesh basket right on the bottom. That's one of my favorite things about this. You always have, I'm gonna have my Kindle or whatever I have with me. Lots of space down here. It doesn't touch the ground. It's mesh. So obviously plenty breathable, maybe throw a pair of wet swim trunks in here, whatever. So throughout the day, plenty of storage space, 2 huge oversized beverage holders, one on each side. You can also see that the bag is attached. So I like that, that's not going anywhere. Another thing that I noticed immediately when we got this to review is check out how they did the feet. So this is a prototype. So when you fold it together and it stands up and it's in its bag, it obviously stands on the bottom of the feet here. But the way they designed it is that when you fold it out, you get all this extra weight disbursement down here. So if you're at the beach or if you're on snow, it's not going to sink down in even close to as much as if they say had cut it off right here. So I love the way that they designed these legs. That's another great feature. As I said earlier, it holds 250 pounds. I'm going to show you guys another thing that's pretty cool. Is the way that they design this, that is comfortable, is that they have these, there's like a little thing on the side here. The way they designed the actual hammock net itself is that this here, so you can kind of, if you really want to kind of get all pretty cozy. So it also comes with a bug net. We attached that earlier in the part of the country we live. I'm gonna need that very soon here in the next month or so. Easy to get in and out of, and they also have a whole rain fly that attaches over the top as well. So if you did want to spend the night in this, or even if just a shower picks up in the afternoon, you can stay bone dry when you're chilling out. Definitely loved both of those features as well. Another thing is that it works great as a chair if you want to kind of hang out throughout the day. It's actually really comfortable. And it's very easy to carry when everything's packed up. Like I said, it's under 15 pounds, comes with a nice comfortable shoulder strap. So this is the Hammock 1. Keep an eye out for this. They're gonna be launching on Kickstarter shortly. Great company, great guys, and a very innovative product that we're just loving.